Y'all, I just got my new pair of headphones, and I love them. So I wore these to the gym, and I've been having it for a few days now, just kind of wearing them to really get a sense of what they're capable of. First of all, what I love about them is that they last a long time. So these, before they like really was going dead, these lasted me about 3 days straight without having to redo it. I'm not, it could go long, could go less, depending on a lot of factors, but like it lasted for me for about 3 days for what I use it for, which is going to the gym. When I'm in the gym, I got them on. I like to immerse myself in the music. I don't like to hear what's around me. I don't like to listen to the TV that be on at the gym. None of that. I like to surround myself with whatever I'm listening to so I can focus. And these allow me to do that literally. The sound is so great, the quality is so great, and on top of that, you can answer your phone calls. You can skip. You can end the phone calls. You can do all that right from one place. So talk about an optimal use. And on top of that, when I'm working out, I hate when your headphones be like falling out and all of that stuff. The ergonomic design is built for sports, so that's really nice as well. So if you guys are looking for a new set of headphones that with quality and that can last through the sweat and working out, and that's gonna last you a few days without you even having to worry about charging them, I highly suggest you at least try these. All right, y'all. Peace.